Ginawa.
Honorable Maria Angelica Rosidel M. Amante, 2nd District, Agusan Norte. Honorable Prospero Is Amatong, 2nd District, Compostela Province. Honorable Jacinio Amin, 1st District, Sulu Province. Honorable Rolando G. Andaya Jr., 1st District, Camarines Sur. Honorable Juan Edgardo M. Angara, Lone District, Aurora. Honorable Rodolfo Rode Antonio, 4th District, Nueva Ecija. Honorable Abdul Monir M. Arbison, 2nd District, Sulu Province. Honorable Prociso Jr. Honorable Prociso G. Alcala, 3rd District, Quezon Province. Honorable Felix R. Alpilor Jr., 4th District, Camarines Sur. Honorable Jose Mayo is Almario, 2nd District, Davao Oriental. Honorable Antonio C. Alvarez, 1st District, Palawan. Honorable Hieronimo Hinaro Rafael K. Alvarez, 6th District, Negros Occidental. Honorable Darlene Magnolia R. Antonio Custodio, 1st District, South Cotabato. Honorable Ignacio T. Arroyo, 5th District, Negros Occidental. Honorable Juan Miguel M. Arroyo, 2nd District, Pampanga. Honorable Trinidad J. Apostol, 2nd District, Leyte. Honorable Luis A. Asistio, 2nd District, Caloocan City. Honorable Martinez Clavilla Asos, 4th District, Cebu. Honorable Rinaldo B. Aquino, 3rd District, Pampanga. Honorable Benigno Simeon C. Aquino III, 2nd District, Tarlac. Honorable Rodolfo C. Bacane, 4th District, Manila City. Honorable what is it? Hindi makita.
Hindi maklaro.
Bacquilio, 2nd District, Osamis Oriental. Honorable Alipio Cirilo B. Badilis, 1st District, Lanao Norte. Honorable Maria Liubihildo B. Banaag, 2nd District, Agusan Norte. Honorable Elias Balot Jr., Lone District, Apayao. Honorable Rosilier B. Barinaga, 2nd District, Zamboanga del Norte. Honorable Lasanib E. Batirina, 2nd District, Ilocos Sur. Honorable Claudio P. Bautista, 2nd District, Davao. Honorable Rosano Ropino B. Biason, Lone District, Muntinlupa City. Honorable Ana York P. Bondok, 4th District, Pampanga. Honorable Perginel G. Biron, 4th District, Iloilo City. Honorable Narciso R. Bravo Jr., 1st District, Masbate. Honorable Danton Cui Bueser, 3rd District, Laguna. Honorable Ilinita Milagros E. Buhain, 1st District, Batangas. Honorable Bilma E. Cabilao, Lone District, Sibugay. Honorable Douglas R. Caga, 2nd District, Davao Sur. Honorable Roberto C. Cahi, 2nd District, Bohol. Honorable Carmen L. Carip, 5th District, Biliran. Honorable Cecilia G. Carion, 1st District, Zamboanga del Norte. Honorable Redinel H. Castro, 2nd District, Capiz. Honorable Jose Emmanuel Carlos, 2nd District, Valenzuela City. Honorable Tranquilino B. Carmona Sr., 1st District, Negros Occidental. Honorable Arthur D. Celeste, 1st District, Pangasinan. Honorable Edgardo M. Chato, 1st District, Bohol. Honorable Erwin L. Chungbian, Lone District, Sarangani. Honorable Justin Isbi Chipico, 2nd District, Laguna. Honorable Solomon R. Chungalaw, Lone District, Ifugao. Honorable Ernie P. Clarit, 1st District, Misamis Occidental. Honorable Prusino M. Cadilla Sr., 4th District, Biliran. Honorable Carlos Opin Juanco, 5th District, Negros Occidental. Honorable Marcos O. Juanco, 4th District, Pangasinan. Honorable Vicente P. Crisulugo, 1st District, Quezon City. Honorable Alan Peter S. Cayetano, Lone District, Taguig, Patiros. Honorable Johnny E. Chua, Lone District, Quirino. Honorable Antonio B. Cuenco, 2nd District, Cebu.
Cebu. Nice Cebu, guys.
Honorable
No?
Rodriguez D. Dadibas, 1st District, Capiz Province. Honorable Manuel Martin Dangwa, Lone District, Benguet. Honorable Suharto Maguda Dato, Lone District, Sultan Kudarat. Honorable Nanit Castillo Dasa, 4th District, Quezon City. Honorable Simeon E. Dato Manong, 2nd District, Maguindanao. Honorable Arthur D. Defensor, 3rd District, Iloilo City. Honorable Matias B. Defensor, 3rd District, Quezon City. Honorable Raul B. Del Mar, 1st District, Cebu. Honorable Antonio M. Diaz, 2nd District, Zambales. Honorable Balsindig G. Dilanggalin, 2nd District, Maguindanao. Honorable Abdullah D. Dimapuro, 2nd District, Lanao del Norte. Honorable Mauricio G. Dumugan, Lone District, Baguio City. Honorable Victor S. Dominguez, Lone District, Mount Province. Honorable Michael John R. Duabit, 1st District, Rizal Province. Honorable Paisa Dumarpa, 1st District, Lanao Sur. Honorable Tomas M. Dumpit, 2nd District, La Union. Honorable Joseph Felix M. Durano, 5th District, Cebu. Honorable Consuelo E. D. Lone District, Pasay City. Honorable Robert S. Barber, 2nd District, Surigao del Norte. Honorable Glinda B. Iclio, 1st District, Surigao del Norte. Honorable Juan Ponce Enrile Jr., 1st District, Cagayan. Honorable Francis Joseph G. Escudero, 1st District, Sorsogon. Honorable Edgar Espinosa, Lone District, Guimaras. Honorable Amado T. Espino, 2nd District, Pangasinan. Honorable Gigardo G. Espina, Lone District, Biliran. Honorable Emilio R. Espinosa Jr., 2nd District, Masbate. Honorable Conrado Estrella III, 6th District, Pangasinan. Honorable Peter Paul G. C. Palcun, 2nd District, Surigao Sur. Honorable Catalino B. Pigirao, 2nd District, Northern Samar. Honorable Edgardo C. Permalo, Lone District, Romblon. Honorable Antonio R. Florindo Jr., 2nd District, Davao Norte Province. Honorable Orlando E. Pua Jr., Lone District, Siquijor. Siquijor. Parang mali lang spelling. Tama ba yun? Honorable Arnolfo P. Puentevilla, 3rd District, Camarines Sur. Honorable Eduardo R. Guilas, 1st District, Cebu. Honorable Albert S. Garcia, 2nd District, Bataan. Honorable Vicente G. Garcia, 2nd District, Davao City. Honorable Janet L. Garin, 1st District, Iloilo City. Honorable Roylo Is Gules, 2nd District, Paranaque. Honorable Raul Gonzales Jr., 2nd District, Iloilo City. Honorable Chopisto D. L. Guinguna, the 3rd, 2nd District, Bukidnon. Honorable Oscar L. Goso, 4th District, Batangas. Honorable Del Reyes D. Guzman, Lone District, Marikina City. Honorable Joy D. Hison, 5th District, Manila City. Honorable Carlos Dr. Bani Imperial D. Araman, 2nd District, Albay. Honorable Gregorio I. Ipong, 2nd District, North Cotabato. Honorable Eladio M. Hala, 3rd District, Bohol. Honorable Cesar G. Halushos, 3rd District, Zamboanga del Norte. Honorable Constantino G. Haraula, Lone District, Cagayan de Oro City. Honorable Exquil B. Javier, Lone District, Antique. Honorable Robert Vicente Jude B. Jaworski, Lone District, Pasig City. Honorable Uliran T. Joaquin, 1st District, Laguna. Honorable Josepina M. Huson, 1st District, Nueva Ecija. Honorable Simeon L. Quintanar, 2nd District, Cebu. Honorable Jose Carlos Lison, 3rd District, Negros Occidental. Honorable Danilo P. Lagbas, 1st District, Misamis Occidental. Honorable Idsil E. Lagman, 1st District, Albay. Honorable Gisli Aquino Lapus is 3rd District, Tarlac. Honorable Marcelino C. Libanan, Lone District, Eastern Samar. Honorable Teodoro L. Locsin Jr., 1st District, Makati City. Honorable Roy Elias C. Lupis, 3rd District, Davao City. Honorable Jaime C. Lupis, 3rd District, Manila City. Honorable Miles Andrew Mari Rosis, 3rd District, Manila City. Honorable Binasing, ano ba pangalan na to? Binasing Makarambong Jr., 3rd District, Lanao Sur. Honorable Emilio C. Macias,